Okay, so here we have our review on the Bosch Serie 6 self-cleaning condenser tumble dryer. We've had this now about a week and I have to say I'm mightily impressed by it. First of all, by the economy of it. It's so cheap to run, which I didn't expect. I'm used to dryers costing quite a lot of money on the electric bill, and this is just fantastic. It's showing up nice on the smart meter. It's not costing a fraction of what it cost before. Now let's have a look at some of the features. Everything's controlled from this dial here, so you pick your settings. I'll not go through the whole settings, I'm sure you can see them and there's enough reviews with regards to that. But a couple of our favourites, we do like the towel setting and the mixed load setting, both of which we've used, and whatever we've put in there comes out exactly how you'd want it to. The towels come out nice and fluffy and dry and exactly what you want just before going and have a nice relaxing bath. The other one as well that we've used quite a bit is actually the super quick 40-minute dry. Absolutely fantastic. We didn't expect it. I was a bit sceptical at first, but everything we put in there has come out absolutely perfect and dry and not an issue whatsoever. A couple of the settings over here you can alter around as well, so it is flexible, including like the crease guards. Obviously anything that cuts down on a bit of ironing time is always a bonus, especially if you're in a bit of a rush. Coming over to here while we're up here, and then I'm going to show you the most impressive feature that I think in a moment. But this is where we collect the water. It may look like someone put soap powder, but no, this is where it collects the water. There is two options with this dryer. You can plumb it in so it drains straight off, or you can collect it in here. At the moment, because we're going through a few alterations, it's not possible. In the future we will be plumbing it in, but for now we're collecting it in there. To be perfectly honest, it's so easy. I mean, we empty it after every kind of dry load, but before, I would honestly say, before you have to empty it, you could probably get a couple of washes in there. We've not got anywhere near filling it yet. But I've got to say, probably the best feature about this has to be the actual size of the drum. There's so much space in there. Whatever we're putting in there, we're putting a couple of heavy towels in. Everything, there's just so much room. We've not got anywhere close to filling it up. We don't feel like we're trying to ram clothes into it and hoping for the best with the drying. There's absolute loads of space, and with 3 children in the house, obviously 2 adults as well, it's absolutely ideal. Great for when we're washing the bedding as well. It's all fitting in there, not a problem. One little thing that I would say that I would probably be more surprised at that I didn't expect to be impressed by is the actual filter. Obviously in dryers we've had previously, you've got the filter and it was what you'd expect, but some of it gets missed down the sides. This, as much as it's like a double-sided filter on there, it also sits inside this, which is obviously is another filter. So it's obviously going to keep maintenance and the cleaning of the actual dryer itself. It's going to make that like really simple. Overall thoughts on it, absolutely mightily impressed by this. I would recommend it to absolutely anybody. So we've got a young growing family and with various sports interests and everything. So when we need that, we want things dry and want them done efficiently, quickly, quietly. You can't go wrong with this. It's absolutely fantastic. That's my opinion of it.